Yes, my name is Didacus Pius Odhiambo and I present this solar cooker, box solar cooker. It is made of box, 2 layers of wood, and there's a glass just to act as a greenhouse effect. It actually traps heat and therefore does not release it. So inside there it becomes very, very, very hot. Then we have the reflective material, which reflects light back into the box and reflects heat back into the box. Then we have the black cooking vessel, usually known as a sufuria or a cooking pot. It's made from iron or steel, and it is used to absorb heat. The box solar cooker has a support at the side so that when you open it, the top does not fall off. When the sun rays hit the bright surface, the bright surface reflects the rays onto the black surface. You realize the cooking vessel is black, and also it is resting on a black metal. And then there's that bright surface both at the sides of the box and down at the box so that it can reflect as much light onto the cooking vessel as much as possible. This makes, when actually the heat outside the cooking apparatus, the solar cooker, is like 28 degrees, 27 degrees Celsius. Inside the box, this heat can be 3 to 4 times the heat outside here. This is because as heat is reflected onto the black surface absorbs the heat, and the heat is retained inside the box using the glass. The way the glass works is similar to the way the greenhouse works. So it creates a greenhouse effect inside there. The heat is 4 times what is outside. Hence, the water inside the cooking vessel will steam, and the temperatures might rise up to 80 degrees Celsius. Hence, the water is hot, or whatever food you are cooking inside here is cooked. So you realize, you see the bubble. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot. So you realize, you see the bubbles, they are starting to form. I just placed this water here just like some 20 minutes ago. Okay, the heating will be slower than normal, but at least you will get your water heated maybe in 1 hour. You will be having your very, very hot water. And if it is food will cook much more slower than usual, but it will cook. So when you are placing your box, ensure it is facing the sun and the shadow is just behind the box. Yeah, this way you ensure as much sunlight as possible is trapped inside the box, and that is your heat, because the sun has no heat. However, as it reaches the ground absorbs some of the light, and the light becomes hot. That's why you realize outside the ground here, we have like 27 degrees Celsius, and inside the box must be more than 100 degrees Celsius. And inside the water, right now it is roughly 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, but it will rise until it gets like 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Welcome.